Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in the last math video, we were looking at comparing the place value of a specific digit in two different numbers. Now today, what we're going to do is write numbers in words. And again, we can use the place value to help us to write numbers in words. And I'm going to show you a trick to help you choose the right phrase or the right words to represent some numbers. Now, the first thing I want you to do is remember how many zeros are in your powers of 10. So, I'm going to put them up here. If it's 10, it's 1 0. If it's 100, it's 2 zeros. If it's 1,000, it's 3 zeros. And 10,000 is 4. We're going to need those later on, so don't forget them. Remember how many zeros are in your powers of 10. Okay. First one says, which phrase represents 3,274? So the number we're looking at is 3,274. Answer choice A. We're going to check to see which one is correct. One is correct, 3 of them are incorrect. Answer choice A says 3,000. Now what I like to do is write what the words represent. So this says 3. I'm going to write 3. The numeral 3. This says 1,000. I need to remember how many zeros are in 1,000. It is 3. So I'm putting my 1, 2, 3 zeros. So right there I have 3,000. And I'm putting plus 274. That sounds like something is missing, but I'm still going to work with it. So 2 plus 70 plus 4. So for each word, I'm writing the number that represents that word. So now that I have my 3,000, my 2, my 70, and my 4, I am going to add them all up together and see if I get 3,274. If I don't get that, then it's going to be incorrect. Now, when we're adding, we need to remember that we're placing each digit in the correct place based on the place value chart so that when we add, our answers will be correct. So we have 3,000. I'm writing, this is answer choice A. I'm going to start working out. So I'm writing 3,000. Then I'm going to write 2. 2 is made up of one digit. So it goes in the ones column right there. It's not coming over here. Then 70, it's 2 digits. So 1, 2. I start under this 0 and put the 0 under the 2. And then I have 4. Again, the 4 is 4 ones. It stays by itself over there. Now I'm ready to add them all up. 4 plus 0 is still 4. And then 4 plus 2. If I don't know, I have 10 fingers and I'm never afraid of using my fingers. I don't want you to be afraid of using your fingers either. They are yours. Don't be ashamed. So when I'm adding, I like to call myself the bigger number. So I'm going to add 4 plus 2. So I call myself 4 and I'm putting up 2 fingers. Then I'm going to count 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 makes 6. That's pretty easy. So 6 plus 0 is still 6. 7 plus 0 is 7. There's nothing to add with the 0 here, so it remains 0. There's nothing to add with this 3, so it remains 3. Remember, in order for me to place my comma correctly, I need to count 1, 2, 3 digits and then my comma. So it's 3,076. It's not correct because this says 3,274. So I like to put an X at the end of the one that is incorrect. Then I'm moving on to answer choice B. I'm writing the letters so that I don't get confused. So I'm at B. B says 3. This time it's 100. 100 has 2 zeros. So I'm putting my 2 zeros. 200. Let me write my 200 again. Has 2 zeros. Put my plus. Plus 7, 4. So I'm going to write plus 7 plus 4. I'm ready to add them up. So I have 300 plus 200. They're both 100, 3 digits. So I line them up equally. Then 7. Remember, 7 ones go extremely right in the ones column. Plus 4, and it's only the digit 4, so it goes extremely to the right as well in the ones column. Now I'm going to add 7 plus 4. Remember that trick? Don't be ashamed. We're using our own fingers. So which one do we call ourselves? The bigger number. So which is the bigger number? It is 7. So I am 7 and I'm putting up 4 fingers. Then I'm going to count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It simply means 7 plus 4 makes 11. So 11 plus 0, it's still 11. 11 plus 0, again, it's still 11. Now, we should know that we cannot put the 2 digits down here. So if I have 11, I'm going to put the 1 there, and I'm going to bring the other one up here. So this is my ones column. 11 is made up of 1 1. This is the ones column. 1 ones. And then this is the tens column. And 1 10. So I put the 1 ones there. And I'm bringing the 1 10 up here. All right. I'm ready to add this part again. I have 0 plus 0 is 0. And 0 plus 1 more is 1. Then 2 plus 3. Let's do that. I'm calling myself the bigger one. So I'm 3 and I'm putting up 2 fingers. So 3, 4, 5. So look at that. 511 or 511. We're looking for 3,274. So that is definitely incorrect. Now I'm going to C. C says 3, so I'm writing my 3,000. 1, 2, 3 zeros are in 1,000. Plus 200. How many zeros? 2. 1, 2. Plus 70 plus 4. Now it's time for me to add them all up. So I'm writing 3,000 plus 200. 3,000 has 3 digits. 200 has 3. So 0, 0, 2, or I can count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and start writing my 200 here. Plus 70. So 70 has 2 digits. 1, 2. So 7 goes there. 0 goes there. Plus 4, only 1 digit. So it goes in the ones column. I'm ready to add. 4 plus 0, all zeros, I still have 4. Then 7 plus all zeros, I still have 7. Plus, so 2 plus 0 is still 2. And 3, I don't have anything to add to it, so it is 3. How do I know where to put my comma? I'm counting 1, 2, 3. My comma goes between 3 and 2. Now here I have 3,274. 3,274. That seemed to be the correct answer. So I'm putting a question mark. I'm going to check D. What if I check D and I get 3,274? Probably I make a mistake somewhere, so I'm going to recheck. So I'm not just going to choose C as my answer and move on. No, I check every single answer choice. So let's go to D. D says 3,000, 3 zeros for 1,000. We have to remember our zeros. Plus 2 plus 40 plus 7. Now we're going to add them up. 3,000, this is answer choice D, plus 2, one's column, 2 by itself, plus 40, 2 digits, 1, 2. So my 4 starts here and my 0 goes there. Plus 7, one's column, it's all by itself. I'm ready to add. 7 plus 0 is still 7. So 7 plus 2. Again, I am 7. I'm adding 2. So 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 makes 9. And then 9 plus 0 is still 9. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus nothing, still 0. 3 plus nothing, it is still 3. 1, 2, 3. I put my comma there. So this one is 3,049. It's wrong because I'm looking for 3,274. So now I can say that answer choice C is correct, and I'm going to circle that. All right, so simply read the words and represent them with numbers and then add them all up. You will not go wrong. You're working it out. So pause your video. Pause that video. Don't cheat. Work it out. Then come back and check your answer. Please, no cheating. All right. 9,000. So I'm writing my 9. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Plus 200. Writing my 2. 1, 2 zeros. It's 100. Plus 39. So I'm writing my 39. Remember, I could write 30 plus 9 or 39. Then we're ready to add. Let's see if we can put it here. 9,000 plus 200, 3 digits, 200 plus 39. So 39. Let's add them up. 9 plus 2 zeros, it's still 9. 3 plus zeros, it's still 3. 2 plus 0, it's still 2, sorry. And 9 plus nothing is 9. So here we have 9,239. We're looking for 94,000. So that's not correct. Let's go to B. 94,000. So I can write my 94,000 is 1, 2, 3 zeros, and then 200. So I'm putting my 2 there and my 100 plus, put my plus sign, 39. Again, I could write 30 plus 9, but I'm writing 39. Same thing. Let's see if we can find space to add that up. So 94,000, let's go. 94, 1, 2, 3 zeros, plus 200, that's 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 200 plus 39, that's 2 digits. 1, 2, 39. Ready to add. 9 plus zeros, it's still 9. 3 plus zeros, that's still 3. 2 plus 0, that's 2. And 4 plus nothing, it's still 4. And 9 plus nothing is still 9. So here we have 94,239. That seems to be correct because this says the same thing, but I'm putting a question mark. Not going ahead and circling it yet. I'm still going to check C. C says 94,000. That's different from 94,000. That's different. So this is 9 plus 4. 1, 2, 3 zeros for 1,000. This is 2. I'm going to put the 2 out there. 100. So 1, 2 zeros for 100. Plus 3, 9. What's 3, 9? So I'm going to put 3 plus 9. Ready to add them up. So it's 9 all the way out there plus 4,000. 1, 2, 3 zeros and my 4 plus 200. 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 plus 3 plus 9 more. And if we add them up, 9 plus 3, call me 9, and add 3. So 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 0 is still 12. 12 plus 0 is still 12. So now we have 12 plus 9. So 12, and I'm putting out 9 fingers. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Good job. So 12 plus 9 more, that's 21. So we really don't have space. I'm going to put my 1 and I'm carrying this 2. 0 plus 0 is 0, plus that 2 is still 2. 2 plus 0 is still 2, and 4 plus nothing is 4. 4,221 is nothing close to 94,239. So that's incorrect. Now let's see if we can figure this out with that number there. So sorry, your teacher did not think about space when she was creating this chart. So sorry about that. Okay, 9,400. So they wrote 94 in digits or numbers. 9,400, 2 zeros, plus 2,000. So 2,000, that's 3 zeros, plus 39. Remember, I can write the 39 or I can write 30 plus 9. Now I'm ready to add them all up. 9,400, that's 9,400. Put my comma, plus 2,000. It's the same 4 digits, so I put my 2 under my 9 and then my zeros, plus 39. Add them up. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 0 is still 3. 0 plus 4 is still 4. And 9 plus 2, 11. 11,439 is not close to 94,000. It's not the same, so it's incorrect. It simply means that my answer or your answer should have been B. I hope you got that, guys. It's pretty easy. Simply represent your words with numbers, then add them up and match with the number that you got. Remember, continue to watch my videos, like them, and share with your family and friends. Love you.